now request Honorable Mr. Justice S.B. Bhatti to address the August gathering.
The trustees of Sarada Krishna Sadgamaya Foundation for Law and Justice, Kochi, particularly Mr. Sanad Ramakrishnan and Mr. P.B. Sahasranaman. I have two former judges of this court, Ramakrishnan and Ramakrishnan. They are repeatedly telling their name. My father comes to my name. The moment my father comes to my mind, I have to be more careful in this function. Altogether, I have three Ramakrishnans here, so that I should be more careful in my speech and should not trouble most of you. See, when these two learned advocates have met me and said, we request you to come and just click a button which will open the website of Justice V.R. Krishna's knowledge of treasure. Then I thought it is a very easy and simple thing. I said, why not we do it from my chamber? They said, no, we are organizing a small function. You please come and click the same. I thought only clicking of all, though I am not from Kerala, like any other law student, judge, etc., I have as much adulation and respect for Justice Krishna Iyer as most of you have. Secondly, I thought this is one of the greatest opportunities for me to slightly mark my presence also on one of the shadows left behind by Justice Krishna Iyer. I agreed. Yesterday, Mr. Sanad Ramakrishnan and Mr. Sahasranam, they met me and said, I have to deliver a brief speech at 4:40 to lawyers. You understand the emphasis? At 4:40 to lawyers. And this is a situation where no topic is given, and the temptation will be so huge for any speaker on an occasion as the present. I reminded myself, look, you have several great scholars in Sanskrit, to begin with Kalidasa. I have noted down a few names. There are a few great persons from state of Kerala also. For example, Nambi Neelakanta Sharma, Bharat Pishardi, Rajaraja Varma, and there are several great people in Sanskrit from state of Kerala also. Similarly, there are great writers and poets in Malayalam also. A person like me who is holding a constitutional post, he is invited to one of the functions held in honor of such great people. First thing, at least from my life, I have understood is resist the temptation of donning any of the shoes worn by them in the speech you are going to do. Then it will be too big a size, your walking will be out of gait. Don't do that. Another reminder I have been told is, I am made to occupy the chairs. I try to settle myself down in the chair. They are too big for my size. That is second indicator to keep my topic within the realm of our understanding. Fortunately for me, they have not given a topic on which I should be addressing you. At 4:40 to address lawyers with any topic is really boring. And added to it, keep a few former judges here and tell the immediate yesteryear's anecdotes is again a fallacy. Having excused myself with a very good reason, I should also instill some content into my speech. For example, a few of the lawyers are here with whom I by choice pick up debate and discussion. One of them is, see, she is not responding. Both of them are sitting in the same direction. Both I, Sheila Devi and Ranjini. Whether they want it or they don't want it, I pick up a debate. That is the difficulty they have. At 4:40 also I tell them very exhorting sentences. After going they will remind, even after court hours he is not leaving us. So I will not do that. Dear all, when this is the humorous side of my speech, I may tell you one thing. We are all tempted in our formative years to emulate the qualities of great people. First we go to the first Chief Justice of India, then see how far we can imitate him. Then we read several autobiographies. Then we also mark a few flagship judgments. We read them. No doubt, we understand the vertical lines and horizontal presentation of an issue by them. Asked to reproduce it in the same manner, my view is it is just next to impossible. Justice Krishna here, as has been said by Mr. Ramakrishnan, he did not have only one hat. He had several hats, and each one of the hats he wore in his style and in his manner. Excepting that, we ought not to be trying to picture that character to say that even I have understood a bit about the late Justice Krishna here, his judgments, his language, so on and so forth. I am unable to recollect one of the last but one books written by late Justice Krishna here about his experiences. My brother, who is also in this profession, recommended me to read that book. I said, where do I have time? You are thrusting one more book on my head. My brother is a great fan of Justice Krishna here. He said, no, during vacation you must finish this and go back to Hyderabad. I read it. Even at that age, the clarity of expression, continuity of narrative, the conclusion in each one of the chapters shows the fabric and metal of that individual. Except saying, hats off to him, nothing more I would like to tell about him in my speech. They are all people like rainbow colors. We can only look at rainbow and enjoy. Not that we can, for ourselves, adore those rainbow colors either in our talk, walk, or write. It's only meant for a few. The website now being inaugurated by the trust will give a platform or a path to the youngsters who would like to learn the critical thinking of jurists like late Justice Krishna here, a quick resource platform to college and prepare themselves in as many topics as they can. When we were young at bar, if there used to be one book in the library, another studious person like Iswaran will pick up that book and keep with him from 10 a.m. to 4:15 p.m. Others will have to wait in the queue. Next day, if I come early, Ranjani may go there and keep it with her. That were the times when we learnt law in a hard way. These were the times with which we learnt law and entered the court. We had few options at our disposal. But the present generation, wherever they are, whatever they are doing, with just a click of a button, they get all the information they need. Only suggestion I can tell on that is, without getting unnecessarily confused with the mass of citations, be a judge of yourself. Pick up the right one, pursue it, present in the court, be successful from the platform provided by the trust. I thank one and all for their patient hearing at 5 o'clock, 5:15 p.m. and once again thank all the trustee members for giving me this opportunity to be part of this website inauguration. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.